My name is Mikhail from New York, and found out about the Yacht Week through some friends from Europe. A couple of days after we saw the trailer, we booked everything. No hesitation, and it's been the best week, I gotta say, of my life. Scenery, the sailing. Every single time we put the sails up, it's the entire, our entire crew of friends that are basically working to make it happen.
I decided to come and find out by myself. Today was my first time sailing. I love the speed. The skipper was great. He gave me lots of advice. They're willing to teach you how to sail, willing to teach you what to do on a boat. You wear a t-shirt, bathing suit all day, you're sailing, you're tanning, you're having fun, you're drinking beers with friends. It's pretty cool.
My name is Colette. I'm from New Jersey and now I live in Los Angeles. I've never sailed before, so this was a new experience. You wake up and you have the fresh air and the sea right in front of you. We sail all day, meet new people, party, dance. There's nothing better.
Drinks and $50 cover charge. Lately it's been a big hassle. Heineken to Newcastle to make sure he's fitting in.
Every single day we wake up and we're like, how is this getting better and better every single day? And for 9 girls in close quarters to say that, I mean, Yacht Week is not real life.
If you wanna rock, you rock. If you wanna roll, roll. You can roll with the punches as long as he feels like he's in control. And if you wanna stay, he stays. If you wanna go, go.
My name is Pierre. I'm DJ for the Yacht Week for 2 years. This is not a job, someone has to do it.
In the space of 7 days, there's 6 or 7 different gigs, including off the back of the boat with everyone just going mad. Just an amazing setting. I'm just so glad to be here for the Yacht Week.
The Yacht Week in Croatia is just perfect because of the country. There is around 1,200 islands, 40% of the islands are protected. So anytime you just open your eyes, you see something new, something very beautiful. It's a way of life that you can't find anywhere else. I have a crowd coming from 20 to 25 different countries. We sail during the day, so it's kind of sport,
Chance to love
You meet around 100 to 200 people. They just love it because it's just about traveling, meeting new people. This is the Yacht Week,